Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log out of Canva on all devices. If you think someone else has access to your Canva account or you signed in on a shared computer, logging out of all devices is a smart way to protect your account. Canva allows you to review your active sessions and sign out remotely in just a few clicks. So to start, open Canva in your web browser and sign into your account. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Then click your account. Next, on the left side, select Account and Security. Then scroll down to Account Actions. Then under Account Actions, you should see Sign Out from all devices. Then what you need to do is to click Sign Out from all devices. So it says here you will lose design changes if edits made from other devices aren't saved yet. So log back in after to resume using Canva as well as your other devices. So click sign out to confirm the action. So once confirmed, Canva signs you out of or from every device except the one you're currently using, depending on Canva's current security policy. You may need to sign in again on your trusted devices. So logging out of all devices is useful if you forgot to sign out on another computer, you lost or replaced a phone or laptop, you notice suspicious account activity, or you recently changed your password or you want to make sure only you have access to your Canva account. So, if you continue seeing unfamiliar logins after signing out of all devices, make sure you change your password immediately and review your account security settings for any unauthorized activity. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.